Educated with money, he's well dressed, not funny, and not much to say in most conversations, but he'll put the bill in all situations, cause he pays for everything. Girls don't like boys, girls like cars and money. Boys will laugh at girls when they're not funny. Paper or plastic, don't matter, she'll have it. Vacations and shopping sprees, these are a few of her favorite things.
I'm in the business of misery, let's take it from the top. She's got a body like an hourglass, it's ticking like a clock. It's a matter of time before we all run out. When I thought he was mine, she caught him by the mouth. I waited a long month, she finally set him free. I told him I couldn't lie, he was the only one for me. 2 weeks and we caught on fire. She's got it out for me, but I wear the biggest smile. Whoa, I never meant to break, but I got him where I want him now. Whoa, it was never my intention to break, just steal it all away from you now. But God, does it feel so good, cause I got him where I want him now. And if you could, then you know you would, cause God, it just feels so, it just feels so good. Second chances, they don't ever matter, people never change. Once a whore, you're nothing more, I'm sorry, that'll never change. And about forgiveness, we're both supposed to have exchange. Sorry honey, but I passed it up, now look this way. Well, there's a million other girls that do it just like you, looking as innocent as possible to get to who they want and what they like. It's easy if you do it right. This is freedom, you're smiling, I'm smiling too. Cause this is freedom, together we'll find the truth. Yeah, no, it's freedom when bad things feel so damn good. Yeah, this is freedom. Can you feel it? Freedom.
ready. We going in the club. I wanna see the lady.
Am intrat în club ca să spargem plictiseala. Fetele sunt aici, luminează seara. Băieții sunt și ei, sticla de șampanie. 1, 1, 2, toată lumea știe. Deci toată lumea sus, pe mese. Toate fetele dați din fese. Fetele stilate, hai, la bară. N-aș putea să vorbesc de plictiseală. Am ales, nu vorbesc frumos. Până la final te întorc pe dos. Avertisment, e un compliment. Vreau atitudine la tine în comportament. Inocent să devin dependent. Insist să te miști cât se poate de lent. Insist să o faci cât se poate de bine. Vreau să plec dimineața cu gândul la tine.
Now fellas, put your hands in the sky now ladies. Shake that ass tonight.
1, 2, 3, 4.
On the floor, bitches screaming.
Give me some more.
Now fellas, put your hands in the sky now ladies. Shake that ass tonight.
1, 2, 3, 4.
On the floor, bitches screaming.
Give me some more.
Sunete pe mese, dă din fese. Nu contează, ești cu mine, sunt cu tine. Toată lumea se uită la tine. Cu o singură privire te dai jos și vii din nou la mine. Vreau să te miști, vreau să dansezi, vreau. Simt că vibrezi precum vezi. Sunt băiatul tău, mâine sunt din nou pe străzi. Așa că